Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mike, aka North Established, and this video is going to be a bit different one today. And in this video, I'm going to be doing some street photography. Well, it's not really street photography. It's more like a POV behind the scenes at the New York City Summit 1 Vanderbilt. Now, this is my first time doing this in this location. It's the first time me visiting the Summit 1. So going into this, I have no expectations. I'm just gonna go in and we're gonna see what we can capture today. And that's just a thing too as well. If I have expectations of something that I'm gonna do and I don't get the results that I'm looking for, the disappointment is gonna be much greater. So usually when I tackle something like this, like POVs, I basically go into these POVs with no expectations at all. I just go in and I just shoot, and I do my best to create a story for you guys to help inspire you guys to go out and shoot. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do in this video, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. Also, it's your first time seeing this channel, make sure you guys subscribe if you're new, like this video so other people can see this video, and let's get into some fun, shall we? Alright guys, and that's going to be the end of the video. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Comment down below any of the photos that was your favorite, that you loved the most. I kind of messed up a little bit because I swore when I reserved the time slot for 6, I thought it was going to be dark out. But I kind of forgot that daylight savings time ends today, so I kind of messed up a little bit there. Because I've seen the pictures of Summit 1 at nighttime, and I have to say, the abstract colors is so beautiful at nighttime than it is in the daytime. So if you guys want to see a part 2 to this video, go ahead and comment down below if you want to see a part 2. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy it. I just might make a part 2 anyways, but I want to know down below in the comments what you guys think about that. But honestly, I enjoyed the video. I enjoyed catching these photos. I really do like it a lot. I actually like this photo right here. If you guys want to know how I did this photo right here, I will do a video in the future on how I do the motion blur effect on my photos. It's very simple. It's a very simple trick on Photoshop. It's very easy. I will definitely do a photo on that. And also subscribe if you're new. I make new videos every single week. But with that being said, guys, just remember to always be yourself and to just create. I'm your boy Mike, North Established. I'm out. Peace.